Ahan mamaktada life review yang video ma puno pu taram nokcheri ai samak Birkarnelzelzit ni aikoina ngasigi video se mamang da akoina video which language is harder haiba tawjaki video adugi makha ta episode 2 ni video si kaino makha ta dringai da wafam makha thamjage aigi YouTube channel si monetize tawba matung dagi di paisa kharga lakpa haujare aduna sigi YouTube channel asidagi lakpa revenue puna mak akoigi Manipur da amasung ato da lamda sanitary pads sizinaba ngamdaba nupi singda punamak donate tawjagani ai YouTube channel sidagi lakpa revenue paisa ama phawo lawjaroi aduna mathangi thadagi lam kaya da chatlaga Manipur gi mafam kaya dagi hana hauraga sanitary pad yenba haujaragani.
Todos los fondos de este canal serán para ayudar a las mujeres del mundo entero que no pueden comprar productos sanitarios.
And I'm coming back with a second episode because the last episode that you guys watched was pretty amazing from your side. So today I have an amazing person, Jimena Jimenez from Colombia. I really appreciate you stopping by and welcome to my channel in the first place. So today what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game if you have watched the first video. So we're going to play a short game, it's an entertainment stuff, so it's nothing serious, but yes, it is serious when it comes to language exchange. So we're gonna, I have 12 things on my screen, so I'm gonna teach you Manipuri, that is my language. So before I go on with it, I'll just tell you something. I'm from a place called Manipur, which is a part of India. So it's one of the northeastern states of India. So it's a beautiful one. It's surrounded by 9 hills, and it's a really amazing one. So people there, we speak a language called Maitailon, also known as Manipuri. So I'm going to teach you that, and you're going to teach me
Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
Awesome.
That'll be amazing. So let's go for the first one.
Awesome.
So, how are you, right? So let's go with a little respectful way. Adom.
Adom.
Nungai biribo.
Nugai biribo.
That's nice. Yeah, let's give it a shot again. Adom.
Adom.
Nungai.
Nungai.
Biribo.
Biribo.
Wow, that's great. That's amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah. So now you go in Spanish.
In Spanish, it's very simple. ¿Cómo está?
Oh, that one. ¿Cómo estás?
There
Perfect.
you go.
That's
Perfect.
that's
Awesome.
really common, right? Yeah.
You've done this before.
Yeah. And the next one is, what are you doing, right? Adom.
Adom.
Kaidou birige.
Kadoi birige.
Kaidou birige.
Kaido birige.
Kaidou birige.
Kaido birige.
Oh yeah. That's nice. Kaidou birige.
Okay, I'm sorry. Kaido biribe.
No. Kaidou.
Gaido.
Like K-I-K.
Kai.
Do. Birige.
Birige.
Yo, wow, that's perfect. That's perfect. You're gonna win this game.
Okay, well, so in Spanish, it's ¿qué está haciendo? ¿Qué?
¿Qué está
Haciendo.
haciendo?
¿Qué está haciendo?
¿Qué está haciendo?
See, you've done this before. This is unfair.
No, Spanish is really common, so it's not really hard for me. Again, next one is you're beautiful. Okay, Adom.
Adom.
I'm gonna say you're so beautiful. Adom.
Adom.
Aduki.
Aduki.
Matik.
Matik.
Fajay.
Fajay.
Do you wanna try the full thing
Okay.
Adom. Aduki matik fajay.
Okay, I can't.
Okay.
It's so hard.
Okay. Adom.
Adom.
Aduki matik
Aduki matik.
fajay.
Fajay.
Wow, that's perfect. That's amazing.
So in Spanish, it is eres hermosa.
Eres hermosa.
Yeah.
Eres hermosa.
Eres hermosa. With the hair flip.
Eres hermosa.
Eres hermosa.
Oh, wow, I'm from Spain. Oh yeah. Next one is for where do you live, right? Adom.
Adom.
Kadai.
Gaday.
Dagino.
Tagino.
So that one is where are you from? So when you want to say specifically where do you live, Adom.
Adom.
Kadaida.
Gadayda.
Laibibano.
Leibibano.
Oh, Laibibano.
Leibibano.
Yeah, perfect. That's nice.
And Spanish is ¿dónde vives?
Okay.
¿Dónde vives?
Give me a sec, bro. ¿Dónde vives?
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Just,
Unfair, unfair.
Yeah, next one is pretty fun. Like most of the viewers might be wanting to know this one. How do you say? Okay, I'll stay in my language first. Do you want to hang out? Nong padok.
Nom hadok.
Nong padok.
Nom hadok.
Koito uba.
Koito uba.
Koito uba.
Koito uba.
No, it's okay. I expect you to not know it. That's the fun part of this game.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even though you know everything in Spanish.
No. Yeah. Nong padok.
Nom hadok.
Koitok.
Goitok.
Uba.
Uba.
Yabi bro.
Yabi bro.
Oh yeah, well it's like you want to hang out sometime, you know, like
Awesome.
nong padok koito uba yabi bro. Yeah. Do you want to try in the full sentence like nong padok koito uba yabi bro?
Nom hadok.
Koito uba.
Goito uba.
Yabi
hadbo.
yabi bro.
Yabi bro.
Oh yeah, like do you want to hang out sometime? Like yeah. Alright,
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna practice for the next video.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in Spanish it's very simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ¿quieres
¿Quieres
salir
salir
conmigo?
conmigo? Perfect.
¿Quieres salir conmigo? There you
¿Quieres
go.
salir conmigo?
Good.
Yeah. So I'll go for the next one. The next one will be pretty fun. Like the question itself is fun. Like, what do you do for fun? Adom.
Adom.
Matam asangbada.
Matam asampada.
Matam asangbada.
Matam asangbada.
Karita wige.
Karido bige.
Like it's like what do you do in the free time? You know, like not really. Like, what do you do for fun? Like what do you do in the free time? It's like for fun, right? So adom.
Adom.
Matam asangbada.
Atam asamag.
Matam
Matam
asangbada.
asangmada.
Kaidaw bige.
Gaido bige.
Yeah, perfect.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Awesome. So in Spanish is ¿qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Okay.
Okay.
That'll be so fun now.
Yeah,
That's a
so-
huge challenge now.
¿Qué te gusta
¿Qué te gusta
hacer
hacer
en tu tiempo
en tu tiempo
libre?
libre?
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna try the food one.
¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Oh, okay. I'll just try half, 50-50.
Okay. ¿Qué te gusta hacer
¿Qué te gusta hacer
en tu tiempo libre?
en tu tiempo libre?
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah. Good.
yeah. Yeah, the next one will be pretty fun. Like, I love you till the very end, right? Punsisina
Punsisina,
loijifao
loijifao,
aina nangbu
aina nangbo,
nungsigani.
nunsigani.
Yeah, wow, perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's the best I've done. Okay, so in Spanish it's
Yeah.
te amaré por siempre.
Te amaré por siempre.
Te amaré por siempre. Yeah.
Te amaré por siempre.
No, that's good. That's good.
Te amaré por
No,
okay,
amaré.
Amaré por siempre.
Mhm.
Amaré por siempre.
Te amaré por siempre. Good.
Yeah, yeah. The next one will be. Do you wanna try it first? The best pickup line in Colombia
Okay,
in
well,
Spanish. Yeah.
the best appropriate
Yeah, appropriate.
pickup line would be, so I'll say it in
English
English.
first. Yes,
It's,
perfect. Yeah.
Do you believe in love at first sight,
Yeah, yeah.
or should I walk by again?
That's so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's ¿crees
¿Crees
en amor
en amor
a primera vista
a primera vista
o paso otra vez?
o paso otra vez?
Mhm,
Oh
there you
wow, that's really long, but yeah. Give me some backup.
¿Crees
¿Crees
en el amor
en el amor
a primera vista
a primera vista
o vuelvo a pasar?
o vuelvo a pasar?
Vuelvo
Vuelvo
a pasar.
a pasar. Wow,
There you
that's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna try it in Manipuri. We don't really have a pickup line because if you do that, somebody's gonna slap you.
Oh yeah, trust me.
Yeah, like women power. So
We are the
Alright.
better sex. So.
yeah, okay. Adom.
Adom.
I don't really know the exact word, so I'm just gonna like translate literally, right?
Literally.
Just yeah.
Yeah.
So Adom.
Adom,
Ahanba ubada
ahangma ubada,
nungsibase
nungsibase,
thajabra
tazebra,
natragadi
natragade,
adomgi mamangda
adom nigabam,
adomgi mamangda
adom, okay,
adomgi
adomgi,
mamangda
mamanda,
amuka
amuka,
satlo
salo,
hybra.
hybra.
Yeah, perfect. That's really long.
Okay,
I have
that's
to
very
I have to
long.
translate like literally like each every word like so yeah.
That's okay. you know?
Yeah, perfect. So you want to try it? The next one is really fun. Like it's a tongue twister, right? So do you want to go with Colombian?
Okay, so a tongue twister in Colombia would be paran,
Paran,
gari,
gari,
kuti,
kuti,
rimi,
rimi,
cuaro.
cuaro. Paran. Do you have to
Paran,
repeat it
gari,
all?
kuti, rimi, cuaro.
Okay.
Paran,
Paran,
gari,
gari,
kuti,
kuti,
rimi,
rimi,
cuaro.
cuaro. Parangati kuti. Paranga prok say. Parang
okay.
paranga
Parangari,
parangari,
kutirimi,
kutirimi,
cuaro.
cuaro. Parangari, kutirimi, cuaro.
That's
yeah.
better than most Colombian people I know.
Yeah.
I'm not even joking.
Actually, I'm born and raised there. You don't know it, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That's why he's so good.
Yeah, I look like Colombian. Oh yeah. Okay. It's a very short one. It's just 3 words. It's like you have to speak it fast. So like hangam,
Hangam,
maka,
maka,
apakpa.
apakpa.
Hangam,
Hangam,
maka,
maka,
apakpa. It's like make it go faster. Like loop it all over again. Hangam, maka, apakpa. Hangam, maka, apakpa. Hangam, maka,
No,
apakpa.
I will never be able to do that.
Yeah,
So,
but-
hangam,
no.
maka, pakap,
Hangam, maka, hangam,
Hangam,
maka,
maka,
apakpa.
apagpa.
Yeah.
Hangam, apagpa.
Hangam, maka. Exactly.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Hagam, maka, apagpa. Hagam, akam.
Yeah, you can
apagpa.
look the words here. Like hangam,
Hangam,
maka, apakpa.
Okay,
hangam.
that's easier. Okay.
Yeah,
Hagam, maka, apagpa.
apakpa.
Hagam, maka,
Apakpa.
apagpa.
Hangam, maka, apakpa.
apagpa.
Perfect. Yeah, that's
I
way
did my
better than
best.
50% of the people there. It's a really hard one. Like when you go the first two, like you go for the first loop, second loop it's okay, but when you go to the third loop, it just the whole accent changes. The next thing what we're gonna do is like I'm gonna tell you to tell me what are the 3 best things about your place, so that like which will make me want to come to your place right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I have a bit of history. So
Yeah.
the first pacemaker ever invented was by a Colombian in 1958.
Wow, that's crazy.
So very long ago.
Yeah.
Second one would be interesting.
I know there will be a
So
lot. There will be a lot. I know.
There is,
Yeah.
we're like one of the major exporters of emeralds.
Emeralds.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
You
we
guys
have
are
very-
luxurious, yeah?
We are very luxurious.
Yeah, that's so nice.
And we have the biggest diversity worldwide of birds.
Oh wow, that's so like, wow. I have to come there.
Yeah,
And
you
next summer
should.
I have to come there. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I'm gonna tell about my place. Yeah, like yours. We do have a lot too. So, do you know the game like American Polo? Like the company American Polo.
Okay, yeah, Polo,
Yeah, Polo.
sure.
You know the game Polo?
Okay, yeah.
It started from my place.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Really?
people think it's from U.S.,
I-
from British, and
I
like,
thought it was from Britain.
yeah, because Britain come there for 200 years. They took everything.
Wow, that's
They took everything.
You
And
do
like,
that.
we want a polo. Like they took everything. Oh yeah,
Okay,
and
awesome.
the next one is like the only national park which is completely floating all over the water. National park which is all over the water, floating. Like when you go like boo boo, so it's like the only floating national park in the world is there in my place.
Wow.
So the whole national park is floating like so it's
That's
called Kaibul Lamjao.
Gaibul.
Like
Lamjao,
Kaibul
Gaibul
Lamjao
Lamjao
National
National
Park.
Park.
Yeah, perfect. And the next thing is that in relation with that, the only species found there, the main reason why we make that into a national park is to save endangered there, called Sangai.
Sangai.
Yeah, so it's like a bow antler there.
Oh wow.
So it's a beautiful one. It's endangered. It's just it's only found there, nowhere in the world. So just because of that, we make it into a national park, and upon that amazing species, it's lucky that the whole national park is floating again.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's the 3 things which attracts tourists. There are a lot more, and most of the viewers are going to say like, you didn't say this, but yeah, I know like there's a lot more, but we
Yeah, well.
we make a deal of 3, just 3, right?
Yeah. But you know what? It makes me want to come. So
Yeah,
I will.
you have to come there.
I
Most of my
will.
viewers will love you to come there. Yeah. Adon nga sigi episode si kamay tawag habdu makagi comment section da drop tawraga khakan birau aduga mathang video da di ai samaga Japanese, Korean, adom na haibi ki Russian, matang tawjarak na ba Arabic tawjarak na ba ai hona jage aduga subscribe tawba like tawba kaubiganu adongi positive suggestions sing adu kamain channel asibu phagat hangadabe habadu makhada drop tawbiu.
Muchas gracias a todos por mirar este video. Eso es todo por hoy. No se les olvide, si les gustó, suscríbanse y denle un like y díganle qué nacionalidad quieren escuchar.
I was like, wow, that's beautiful. You must be saying something so now I can't understand anything, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. And how do we say thank you? It's like we join our hands and say Mayambu.
Mayambu.
Video isi.
Video isi.
Yangbi bagi.
Yangbi bagi.
Kurumzari.
Kurumzari.